Let's talk about the SwiftKey keyboard on the iPhone and how you could resize it. So let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, on the Androids, the SwiftKey is much more advanced and you can do more stuff, but on the iPhone, we still have some options. Like this is the SwiftKey. Right, and if I actually go to the settings of the SwiftKey, so I just look up the app right there and open it up, you're gonna notice that part of the settings we have some things which could technically change the size of it. As I say, it's kind of limited, but for example, you have the ability to change and show up the number row, right? So without it, the keyboard is this large, but with it, you can obviously see that it gets a little bit larger due to the numbers being added on the top of that. Right, so that's like the thing you can definitely do with it, right? One of the options. And if you need a little bit more, you can also enable some features of the iPhone in terms of accessibility and zoom to make things appear bigger, including the keyboard, right? So part of the settings, if you go to the display and brightness, at the bottom, you can change the display zoom from default to larger text. And if you do that, if you switch to this larger mode, you're gonna notice that it's going to apply to everything, right? So this settings menu is already much bigger, but also the keyboard, which doesn't matter if it's a SwiftKey or the built-in one, gets much larger. So that's like another way to change the size, but not only size of the keyboard, but of everything. So that's how it works. As of right now, as you can see, it's kind of limited, but if anything changes in the future, I'll definitely make an updated video about it. So subscribe so you won't miss it, and I'll talk to you then.